Everyone, in this task, we compare three designs which are the gas analyzer, image processing, and spectroscopy. Each of these designs has three criteria which are the cost, response time, and the power consumption. Each of these designs is measured using different units which makes it difficult to directly compare them. So in order to solve the problem, we employ Pareto optimization technique. A Pareto is a multi-decision criteria that converts different units into normalized scores to enable fair and objective comparison. So, this method identifies solutions that balances all criteria without overly comprising any. We also assign importance levels to each criterion to reflect their practical impact and perform sensitivity analysis to test if the results remain stable when priorities change. Before we compare the scores, we establish how important each factor is to our decision. Cost receives highest weight of 37%, reflecting the practical need to stay within the budget. Performance measured as response time has a way of 33%, emphasizing the system's operational efficiency, while the power consumption is weighed at 30% due to its impact on long-term energy use and cost. So this weight distribution focuses on the comparison on what matters the most. Let's start by looking at cost. So the gas analyzer is the cheapest at 6,934. Image processing is the most expensive at 8,264, with spectroscopy in between at 7,723. So we normalize this cost using a minimization formula which converts raw costs into scores ranging from 1 to 10, where 10 is the lowest cost. This makes costs comparable alongside other criteria. The gas analyzer scores 10 on normalized cost, making it the most budget-friendly choice among the designs. In here, image processing scores lowest at 1, reflecting its high expense, while the spectroscopy has a moderate score of 4.64, indicating its reasonable price. Next is we evaluate performance based on response time, ranging from 0.8 to 1 second. Using the same normalization approach, quicker response time scores higher, ensuring aligned evaluation with other criteria. In here, we can see that the gas analyzer responds in 1 second slower than the image processing and spectroscopy, which both responds in 0.8 seconds. And the gas analyzer earns a normalized performance of 10 for faster response. In summary, Pareto optimization normalizes and balances multiple criteria weighted by practical importance. To compare these designs, this approach ensures we don't overlook any key factor while choosing the overall best option. I now hand over to Bueno, who will provide further details about the analysis. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. I will continue to explain the design tree normalization of performance for the response time. So here the design tree has a P0 of 0.8 seconds and the minimum response time of 0.8 seconds. So using the equation of minimization here, we calculated that the performance constraint value of the design tree is equal to 10. So next is that functionality power consumption. So as you can see in the table, the gas analyzer, the design one, has a lowest value power consumption among the three. So we taken it as our mean raw. For the image processing, was a value of 18.9 watts was taken as our max raw because it has the highest power consumption among the three. Next, for the normalization of functionality. For the design one, it has a P0 of 17.65 watts, and this has a minimum response time of 17.65 watts. So based on the equation, the minimization, we calculated that the functionality constraint value of the design one is equal to 10. So next, for the design 2, was a P0 of 18.9 watts and a minimum response time of 17.65 watts. So again, using the equation of minimization here, we calculated that the functionality constraint value of the design 2 is equal to 1. So next, the design 3. It has a P0 of 18.05 watts, minimum response time 17.65 watts. Again, the equation of the minimization, we computed that the functionality constraint value of the design 3 is equal to 7.12. Next, we move on for the table. So this is the table for the ranking for the three designs. So here, we have the criterion, the economic cost, performance time, performance response time, and the functionality power consumption. For the criterion's importance, we scale the economic cost from 10 over 10 and as a percentage of 37.04%. For the performance, we scale it from 9 over 10 and as a percentage of 33.33%. For the functionality, we scale it from 8 over 10 and that's a value of 29.63%. So overall, these three criterion has a overall total of 100%. So for the normalization of each designs, for the economic cost, for the design 1, we computed the value is equal to 10. For the design 2, the economic cost value is equal to 1. For the design 3, is equal to 10. For the performance, for the design 1's normalization is equal to 1. For the design 2, the normalization of this we computed is equal to 10. For the design 3, it's equal to 1. For the last criterion, which is the functionality, its normalization for the design 1 is equal to 4.64. For the design 2, it's equal to 10. And for the design 3 is equal to 7.12. So here, we can see the encircled value, which is the design 2 image processing, is the best choice because it has the highest criterion and importance among the three designs. So lastly is the R-radar chart. So here it presents the sensitivity analysis or spiral radar of our three designs, which are the gas analyzer, the image processing, and the spectroscopy. So here the blue line represents the gas analyzer. So it just shows moderate and sensitivity levels. And for the design 2 image processing, color orange shows the highest sensitivity level and indicating it as the highest responsiveness among the three designs. For the spectroscopy, the color green shows the lowest sensitivity level. So overall, this radar chart only shows that the design 2 image processing has the highest responsiveness among the three designs. So that's all. Thank you.